this point, I decided to jump off the boat, head home, and kind of hide out from the storm. Then I changed my mind. I really wanted to make sure that this brand new boat I just bought was going to be okay. So I came back to the marina and thought I would just hang out and keep an eye on things from there. Well, here we are. Not too crazy. Had to jump on from the dock because I couldn't get to the boat. But we're doing alright. I am on the boat. Hurricane Helene is passing nearby, and so I'm just seeing how things are going. One thing I noticed is my AC power is out.